Farewell with a blessing. Understanding, goodbye and Godspeed. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a beautiful and somewhat formal way of saying farewell, goodbye and Godspeed. It's a phrase that carries deep meaning and history. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English expressions, understanding the nuances of this phrase will enrich your language skills. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and when to use it. Stay tuned to master this eloquent goodbye. Goodbye and Godspeed combines two powerful words. Goodbye is a common English farewell, originating from the phrase, God be with ye. It expresses the wish for someone to farewell as they depart. Godspeed, on the other hand, is a more archaic term, derived from the Middle English phrase, Godspeed, meaning, may God cause you to succeed. When you say, Godspeed, you're wishing someone success on their journey or in their future endeavors. Together, these words not only bid farewell but also bless the departing individual with success and safety. The phrase, goodbye and Godspeed, harks back to a time when journeys were fraught with danger, and success in one's endeavors was uncertain. It has a formal and somewhat old-fashioned tone, often used in significant life events such as moving to a new place, starting a new job, or embarking on a long journey. While Godspeed alone is less common in everyday conversation, its combination with goodbye adds a layer of solemnity and warmth to farewells, making it appropriate for formal, heartfelt, or significant goodbyes. Understanding when to use goodbye and Godspeed is crucial. It's best reserved for occasions that are significant or carry an emotional weight. For example, saying farewell to a colleague who's leaving for a new job in another city, or to a friend embarking on a long journey. The key is to use it when you wish to convey more than just a simple goodbye, but a deep wish for success and safety. To use it effectively, ensure your tone matches the phrase's gravity and warmth. It's a way of showing you care deeply about the person's future and well-being. Goodbye and Godspeed is more than just a farewell. It's a blessing, a wish for success, and a token of goodwill. Now that you understand its meaning, origins, and appropriate contexts for use, you can incorporate this beautiful expression into your English vocabulary. Use it to add depth and warmth to your farewells on significant occasions. Thank you for joining me today, and Godspeed in your English language learning journey.